I'm Rob Kircher, and this is another episode of our 1905 Cottage Restoration. Today, and you can tell I dressed up for the occasion, today you can also tell that there's no snow on the ground, and we're having an early midwinter thaw, and as far as I'm concerned, it's very welcome. Now behind me is a project I'm working on. This is a pergola, or will be a pergola, that's going to stretch across the bank of these windows. And a couple of days ago, I already installed these 4x6 posts, and you can tell there's 4 of them. And then above the post, this bracket is going to go, and then there's going to be 2x6s and 2x2s. And I think it's going to be aesthetically pleasing, and the only purpose in life that this is going to serve is strictly decorative. This is one of the 4 brackets that I made a couple of days ago and painted them up. By the way, they're very heavy. It probably weighs 20 pounds. And each one is going to stretch across the top of these 4 beams. Nice. And this is the finale of my pergola that is going to enhance the back of our home. And with me, make this thing happen, is 3 of my great neighbors. This is John Davison. This is Mark and Danny McElroy. Now what we're going to do is see if we can hoist this thing up. So John, you're going to probably want to be on this side, I think. I'm not going to direct you, but
go on each end.
Okay, whatever is good for you guys. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh wow, it goes up easy.
Easy for you to say.
Easy for you to say. What a difference a day makes, right? Well, yesterday there wasn't a flake on the ground, and 24 hours later we have 6 inches on the ground and the promise of probably another 6. In any event, I wanted to show you what the pergola looks like in its first day of the snow. I think it's gorgeous, and I'm really happy with it. Anyways, I wanted to give you that update. And I'm going to be putting this video together, and it will be another episode of our 1905 Cottage Restoration. I'm Rob Kircher, and all is good in the neighborhood.